Melasta Corporation, offering one-stop professional portable power solutions, specializes in consumer and power batteries. Driven by market demands, we effectively integrate and swiftly respond to customer needs. With extensive industry experience and a strong R&D team, equipped with advanced production and testing facilities, we provide customized solutions starting from electrical performance evaluation, electronic SMT, and physical hardware integration. Our expertise also extends to integrating production equipment with autonomous design and application of battery management systems and software testing platforms. After rigorous refinement and optimization of our testing processes, we are proud to announce that Melasta batteries are not only safe and reliable, but also excel in functionality and design. Melasta battery is widely used in all kinds of applications, such as e-mobility, medical equipment, robotic, drone, and solar energy storage. Consistently earning trust from customers and increasing Melasta's brand's influence. Melasta invites you to join us in creating a new world with new green energy.